3 large potatoes cut into thin fingers like French fries. 3 tablespoons corn flour. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Salt to taste. Water is needed. Oil for deep frying. 1 tablespoon oil. 1 tablespoon garlic, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon ginger, finely chopped. 2 green chilies, slit or chopped. 1 small onion, sliced or chopped. 1 small capsicum, sliced. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. 1 teaspoon vinegar. 1 teaspoon corn flour mixed in 1/4 cup water for thickening. Salt to taste. Spring onion for garnish. Wash and soak the potato fingers in water for 10 minutes. In a bowl, mix corn flour, maida, a little salt, and water to make a thick batter. Coat the potato fingers in the batter and deep fry until golden and crispy. Keep aside. Heat oil in a pan. Add garlic, ginger, and green chilies. Sauté for a few seconds. Add onions and capsicum. Stir fry on high flame for 2 minutes. Add soy sauce, chili sauce, ketchup, and vinegar. Mix well. Add corn flour slurry, corn flour plus water, and cook till the sauce thickens. Add the fried potatoes to the sauce. Toss well to coat evenly. Garnish with chopped spring onions and serve hot.